Welcome to our channel. HP DeskJet 2800e Wi-Fi setup. Power and basics. Plug it in, turn it on. Wait until the power light goes solid. If it's blinking all over the place, give it a second. These things take their own time. Wi-Fi button. On the front, there's a little Wi-Fi button with a blue light. Hold it down for a few seconds until it starts blinking. That means it's in setup mode. Router side. Now, if your router has WPS, that's the button usually on the back or side, press that. Within a minute, the printer should catch it and connect. Blue light goes solid, you're good. No WPS? Use the app. If you don't have WPS, no problem. Grab your phone, download the HP Smart app. Open it, hit plus, or add printer. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi you want the printer on. The app will find the printer and shove your Wi-Fi details into it. Takes about 2 minutes. Check password. Double check your Wi-Fi password while you're at it. I can't tell you how many times it fails because of a typo. Capital letters matter. Spaces matter. Don't guess, actually look at the password. Location matters. Keep the printer close to the router during setup. Don't tuck it in another room until it's connected. Weak signal kills the setup process. Reset if stuck. If you've messed around and it's just not working, do a reset. Hold the Wi-Fi button and the cancel button together for about 5 seconds. Lights flash, settings wiped, fresh start. So yeah, that's the HP DeskJet 2800e Wi-Fi setup in real life. Either use WPS or the HP Smart app. Keep it near the router. Check your password, and if it keeps failing, reset and try again. Nothing fancy, just the way it actually works. Hope that helps. Thank you for watching.